In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your understanding, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make managing inventory as seamless as possible for you. To begin with, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll notice the dashboard in front of you. Our task starts here, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a button labeled as New. This button is like your gateway to various options within QuickBooks. By clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing a wide range of choices that can help you manage different aspects of your business. For today's lesson, we're focusing on managing inventory effectively. Within this drop-down menu, look for an option under Other that says Inventory Quantity Adjustment. This option is crucial when you need to tweak product quantities. Whether you've had a recent shipment or you're doing a routine end-of-season cleanup, this is where you make sure everything aligns perfectly. Once you select Inventory Quantity Adjustment, you'll move on to adding a product. Here, QuickBooks provides a field for you to enter specific product names. This step is all about precision, and you'll want to be as accurate as possible to prevent any mix-ups in the future. Imagine it like placing a puzzle piece in the right spot, making sure your physical inventory matches what's recorded digitally. It's essential to use accurate product IDs or names recognized within your internal system. Next, you'll enter the quantity adjustment. This is where you type in the number that precisely reflects what's currently available in your stockroom. It's important to pay close attention here since any inaccuracies could lead to more significant issues down the road, like financial discrepancies or stock shortages. Finally, once you're confident that all your entries are spot on, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button, which you'll typically find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give it a click, and just like that, you've ensured your inventory records are perfectly up to date. This will allow your financial reports to be as accurate as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully added and adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. From signing in to saving your changes, each step plays a critical role in managing your business's inventory effortlessly. Keep this process in mind every time you need to update your records, and don't forget to periodically review your inventory to align what's physically in stock with your QuickBooks account. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory management.